Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Toyota Supra Mk4 Hycade step by step. Begin by gathering reference photos and basic tools, including pencils, eraser, paper, and a ruler. Position your reference so you can see front, side, and three-quarter views to capture proportions. Lightly draw a simple block shape to map the car's overall silhouette, keeping lines loose and correcting measurements as you go. Start by drawing the car's basic construction with simple shapes and soft lines to get proportions right. Sketch a rectangle for the body, a smaller rectangle for the cabin, and circles for wheel wells. Mark wheel centers and roof height, then refine the hood slope and windshield angle. Keep lines light and adjustable, focusing on balance between length, height, and wheel placement before committing to darker contours and details. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy neat floors while you focus on drawing, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it easy to clean around your art space. It navigates intelligently so you spend less time sweeping and more time sketching, and it can save delicate tools from dust buildup. If you want this helpful gadget, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now focus on detailing the Mk4 characteristic features such as headlight shapes, front bumper vents, and the rear spoiler silhouette. Carefully define panel gaps, hood creases, and door lines, then draw wheels with correct rim proportions and brake depth. Use a softer pencil for mid-tone shading to model curvature, then lift highlights with an eraser for reflective surfaces. Step back occasionally to check overall harmony and adjust contrasts for depth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.